Today, we're making a cookie latte. Using Tate's cookies instead of baking our own because people on TikTok have sworn to me that these are the best cookies out there. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Blender, cookies, milk, because you know, cookies and milk. We blend the cookies. We strain the cookie milk. Oh man, this already smells amazing. I can tell this is going to be a good one. We set up our pitcher with our strained cookie milk. Add a couple of those in the bottom of our cup here. We add our espresso. And then we pour our hot cookie milk, a few more cookie crisp on top as a garnish, a couple of chocolate chips to finish it off. This is a true blue cookie latte. Oh yeah. This is menu ready. Grade on this one is an A-. Pretty good.